Hello, this is Dropship Beauty. Today, we will go over the price multiplier setting and how you can use it when transferring our products to your Shopify store. The price multiplier setting helps create a specific retail price on your store, and you can use this whenever you are either importing or re-importing an item from the app. Please note, the price multiplier setting will not automatically reset price for any existing products on your Shopify store. If you would like to change the price of an existing product, you can directly edit it from the product section of your Shopify store, or you can re-import the same item after you have made changes to the price settings. So without further ado, let's get this tutorial started. To locate the price settings on the app, first log into your Dropship Beauty account. Next, go to Settings. A menu list will drop down. You will then click on Product Settings. You will then be taken to the Product Price Multiplier page. On the main page, a quick note will be provided on how the settings work. We would advise you reading through the contents before further proceeding. At the lower section of the page, you will see the price adjustment tools. The default settings will be available for our basic and advanced users. As you can see, the first tab will be the product price. You can set the product price here between 1.2 to 2 times more than what we charge for dropshipping. This will set the retail price for any products that you plan to import to your store. For example, the dropship price for our Malaysian Body Wave bundles start at $23 for the 10-inch. If you choose 1.5 as the price multiplier setting, the retail price of the Malaysian Body Wave will be around $35 once you import the item to your Shopify store. This will then be the new price that your store will sell our products for. This is how the product price settings work. Next is the Compare It price. You can use this feature to show that either a product is on sale, or if you intend to market the product as a lowered price item. To make it work though, make sure that the Compare It price setting is always higher than the product price. For example, we will set the Compare It price at 1.7, since the product price is set at 1.5. This feature is completely optional though, and you do not need to fill a number in. It simply helps show a discounted price on your store once an item is properly imported. If you do not want to use the price multiplier setting, there is also an option for fixed markup. This option will calculate the exact dollar amount that you want added on a product, on top of its dropship price. For example, if you change the settings from multiplier to fixed markup, and add 30 as to the product price value, any products imported to your website afterwards will adjust with an exact markup of $30. These two options are available for you to use. However, we recommend using the multiplier setting for more accurate adjustments. The third tab will be the round price settings. This option helps even out the pricing of the items when the retail price is adjusted to your online store. You will be given 3 options to choose from. The 3 options are round prices to the nearest 99 cents, round prices to the nearest dollar, or no, leave my markups as they are. For example, the prices will look like this once you import an item to your store. For the last portion of the tutorial, there is an additional feature that you can use if you are a Pro member. At the top left side of the price settings tab, there will be a link that states Advanced. If you are a Pro member, you can create multiple price settings for specified collections, making it easier to adjust multiple product prices at once. Once you revert back to the basic or advanced plan though, you will need to remove the additional settings for proper importing. After you have completed arranging your price settings, make sure to click Save Settings at the bottom right of the page. This concludes the tutorial for our price multiplier setting. To learn how to import our products from the Dropship Beauty app to your Shopify store, you can watch our other video guides regarding the matter. Thank you for watching our content.